Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Daily Market Recap where we talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty and their daily charts. So let's start today's video with Nifty analysis, and today Nifty has closed below 25,700 level. Earlier we are expecting that Nifty will take some support from this 700 level, but by seeing this candle there is a lot more strength in this candle. That is why today we have a closing below 25,700 level. Then today Nifty opened slightly lower and try to hold this 800 level. And in the morning session even Nifty make a high of 900 level. But I think after some times, maybe when FII come in the market, they started their selling and Nifty fall up to 25,600 level. I mean, yeah, there is a no recovery between 800 level and 600 level. And you see this some pullback here. This is because of people have to close their intraday position. I mean, all those people who short Nifty here, they have to cover. That is why you will see some pullback here. All right, now let's talk Nifty on weekly time frame because we have a closing of week also. And by seeing the weekly candle, it looks like, boss, there will be more fall in upcoming days. Because yeah, there is a no major support for Nifty. I mean, it's a strong candle, right? There is a no upper week and it close at the low of the week. So of course, yeah, I mean, there will be more fall in Nifty. And if you talk about the open interest data, then see there is a no major support. I mean, there are some support at 500 level. And if you talk about the resistance, this 26,000 level is the new resistance for Nifty. Earlier it was the 26,200, but now we have a strong resistance at 26,000 level. So there is a high probability that Nifty will fall further in upcoming days. Let's talk about this Bank Nifty. So on weekly time frame, it's a bearish piercing candle, and the next support for Bank Nifty is 58,700 level. Let's check on daily time frame. In daily time frame, there is a free fall for Bank Nifty also. And if you talk about Bank Nifty on monthly time frame, then it looks like now this hanging man candle is validated and try to form a bearish engulfing candle. If this level will break by the Bank Nifty, then of course we may see more fall in upcoming days. Let's talk about mid cap now. All right, it looks like it has given breakdown for this consolidation phase. Okay, if you draw a trend line, let me extend this trend line till here. So yeah, it looks like mid cap will take some support from this trend line. But yeah, rest of the things are not sure, like, because if we talk about the geopolitical tension, the crude oil tension, everything looks uncertain. I mean, क्या ट्रेंड लाइन है, कुछ ट्रेंड लाइन का मतलब नहीं है अभी. If you talk about on weekly time frame, then it's okay, engulfing candle, and also given the close below this channel. If you see this channel na yaar, mid cap is always trying to give close in the channel since November, but right now we have a closing below the channel. So yeah, and there is a bearish engulfing candle here, and it looks like there is a full strength in the body. So boss, मिड कैप की भी कहानी सेम ही लग रही है. इफ मिड कैप ब्रेक दिस ट्रायंगल, देन देयर इज a more fall in upcoming days, and surely it will break in next session. Let me draw the triangle. Okay, VIX is up by 3%. Let's talk about the other sectors. IT is flat now. Okay. CNX Auto, there is a profit booking in CNX Auto. Infra looks weaker. Infra tried to build up some strength here, but all the strength has gone in this candle. Metal, let's talk about metal. Okay, some profit booking in the metal sector. What is this? Okay, FMCG. In FMCG sector, we have a confirmation for this breakdown. So more fall will be in upcoming days. Let's talk about this pharma sector. Yeah, pharma sector is trying to look bullish in this week, but due to the negative sentiment, it fall back again in the range. Let's see pharma on daily time. So in the last 2 days, pharma has fall more than 2%. That is why you will see this bullish candle has now turned into inverted hammer. Maybe this 500% tariff news affected pharma. All right, so everything looks weaker यार. Like हम क्या ही support की बात करें? If we talk about some supports and all, okay. If we draw some support and all here, then again Trump फिर कल आके कुछ कह देगा या फिर क्रूड को लेके कल फिर कुछ जियोपॉलिटिकल टेंशन बढ़ जाएगी. So there is a no meaning to talking about the support. But if you see this trend line, छोड़ो यार अभी सपोर्ट का बात करने का मन है नहीं तो आई डोंट वांट टू डिस्कस सपोर्ट. Let's talk about other thing. Okay, USD versus INR is slightly up. Crude is up by 2%. Let's try to draw some figure on crude chart. So okay, and okay, and कुछ है क्या पीछे? बट यार इतना पीछे का कुछ सेंस नहीं बनाएगा बिकॉज वी हैव अ लोअर लो. All right, so it will be like this. Okay, then draw like this. All right, so there is a triangle formation in crude, and if RSI will support us, then of course we can see some rally in crude oil. Gold is slightly up, silver is up by 2%. वीकली में आपको जहां भी रेड कैंडल दिखे ना, Bitcoin is slightly down, right? Again, Bitcoin is back in the range. All right, guys. So that's it for today's market. Let's talk about some stock. So IDFC is flat. Vedanta is up by 1%. Very good. In this falling market, Vedanta has given 1%. Okay. Bajaj Auto has fallen 2%. Here we have an entry in Bajaj Auto. So let me check. All right, we have entered at 9650 and now we have 9560. Okay, our stop loss is here. Eicher Motor is slightly negative. We have entry in Eicher Motor also. Sun Pharma. Yesterday we are expecting that next candle will be in this green zone, but we have a closing like this. And today we have a Morubuzu candle like this. So our setup in Sun Pharma is failed. So let me remove this. Let's talk about the LKM. Yes, today we have a okay. Today I have made one new entry in LKM, and the reason for that you can see on screen. Like there is a breakout on daily and weekly time frame. Of course there is a breakout on daily and weekly time frame. और यार इस गिरते हुए मार्केट में भी this breakout is sustained, so of course there will be some strength in this LKM. Strong RSI, that is RSI is also looks good on weekly and daily time frame. Retracement for the current move, of course we have a retracement for this move. So I have captured this stock somewhere around 3 p.m. at the price of 5780. Our stop loss very tightly here because as you can see we have only near about 2% of stop loss and our risk to reward is 1.2. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Let's talk about some data as well. So total call OI in the market is 12.4 CR and total put side we have 8.57. So the PCR at ATM is 0.7. And if you talk about the total PCR, then it's 0.5, which looks more bearish. Let's check some other data, how institutions are doing. Of course, we have a yesterday data. Tomorrow data is not out yet. FII bearish on future and option both. Pro have some bullish view in future. That is why they have bought this much of future. In option, they have a bearish view. That is why they have sold 1.1 lakhs of call and bought 1.8 lakhs of put. Let me show the cash market also. Of course, these are the yesterday's data, but FII have sold 3000 crore in cash and they sold in future also almost 5000 crore. So yeah, FII has continuously doing the selling. कितना शॉर्ट करेंगे फ्यूचर. ओके Okay, let's talk about this option data as well. So yesterday they have sold this much of call and bought this much of put. Okay, all right guys, so that's it for today's video. Everything looks red, right? So I hope you enjoy it, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe so that you will get a daily market update.